Welcome, in front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your device doesn't want to turn on. So your laptop should normally start up once you press the power button, and if the light turns on the power button when you click on it, that means that your laptop started turning on, and after a while it will switch on. But if the light doesn't appear, that means that your laptop is probably discharged. And so what you have to do is grab a charging cable, connect it to the socket on one side, connect your AC adapter, or plug it into the socket, and plug in the charging cable into the charging port right here, and then wait for a while until your laptop is charged enough to be turned on, and then press the power button once again. Now, if your laptop still doesn't want to turn on after that, that probably means that your AC adapter doesn't provide enough power to your laptop. So what you have to do is check the watt amount on your AC adapter. Let me bring it closer to you, and if you take a closer look right here, you will be able to see the amount of watts. Give me a second. So right here on the list of your adapter specifications, you'll be able to see the amount of watts that it provides your laptop with. In my case, it's 33 watts of power, and that's enough to charge my laptop. But originally this laptop needs at least 45 watt adapter. So if yours is brand new, or at least your battery isn't worn out as mine, then you should look for an adapter that will provide your device with 45 watts of power. Then plug it into your PC, and it should charge in a while enough for your laptop to start up. Now, if this still doesn't happen, you should check the distributor of your AC adapter. Check if it's reputable and reliable. You can check the opinions on the internet to see if this distributor is reputable, and you should also consider the probability that your laptop has been exposed to either extremely hot or extremely cold temperatures. In such scenario, your laptop probably should cool down or warm up for a while. Sometimes laptops need up to 12 hours of recovery, depending on how hot or cold the temperature was that it was exposed to. And after that, you can press the power button and try to turn on your device again. Now, if it still doesn't want to turn on, then probably your battery is worn out completely, and you should either contact ASUS customer support service, especially if your warranty is still up, or otherwise you can bring your device to the nearest repair center and let them take a look and take care of your device. And I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.